Hi, morning guys. We're here today in Qudra Lakes, here at Al Marmum Desert Conservation Reserve. So we came here to catch the sunrise. At the same time, we have to enjoy running or walking on this big area to exercise a little bit in this early morning. Just for your information, guys, this is one part of Dubai where wildlife is likely to be seen in its natural habitat. From desert foxes to the oryx, or one of the 200 bird species that live around the lakes. So some of them includes the swans, geese, ducks, flamingos, and more. Spanning 10% of Dubai's total area, the Al Marmum Desert Conservation Reserve is the largest reserve in the UAE. So this is open to the public in year 2018. This is Dubai's largest unfenced nature reserve and is home to a number of endangered species of animals and has the largest number of Arabian oryx in the country. So now we're heading now guys to the most visited area in Qudra Lakes, and this is the Love Lakes. So maybe you guys is telling why it is called a love lake. So to understand that, you have to go up. The lake looks like two interlocking hearts from the above. So the two hearts over an area of 550,000 square meters. So what's the better name to call it than a love lake? Even the trees here spell out as the word love. dedicated every inch to love. It can easily qualify as the most romantic place in Dubai. So why we have to visit Love Lake? So Love Lake is so much more than just a barbecue spot or a place for an evening stroll. It is undoubtedly one of the innovative attractions in Dubai. So being far away from the city, the place is so peaceful and serene. If you plan to spend an evening with your loved one or friends and enjoy some quiet time, Love Lake is your option. From here, you will witness the most beautiful sunset in Dubai. The sun's orange glow coupled with golden suns and the greenery is beyond that words can describe. Therefore, the best time to visit Love Lake is an hour before sunset. When the weather is right, you can spend hours in the park just looking at everything around you and listening to the bird songs.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. You've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Plus up, plus up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's
When you look at the lake from the shore, you won't see the heart shape but only a curved lake. So to get the entire picture, you will have to be at least 50 meters above the ground. So the only option is to fly a drone if you have one. There are also numerous Instagrammable spots in the Love Lake, all of them in different shapes and forms of the heart. You can actually get your feet wet and walk in the water. Signboards are marking the shallow portions of the lake. So one portion of the lake is a fish pond teeming with koi, carp, and goldfish. Everyone have enjoyed the color of the koi and goldfish. most of the experience, we recommend having a picnic breakfast there early in the morning before sunrise or late in the afternoon. This way, you escape the desert heat and experience how gloriously the desert lights up at sunrise or sunset. Thank you once again for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!